Welcome back to Siargao. In today's video, we're heading inland to explore what this island has to offer beyond its beaches. While Siargao is best known for its surf and coastline, it's also a lush, green island covered in endless coconut palm forests, quiet back roads, and tropical landscapes that feel completely different from the shore. Our first stop is one of the most iconic spots here, the famous Coconut Road. This long, straight stretch of road cuts through thousands of coconut palm trees, creating a view that almost doesn't feel real. With barely any traffic and open views in every direction, it's the kind of place where you just slow down, take it in, and enjoy the ride. It's no surprise this place has become a favorite for drone shots and photos, showing just how endless and green the island really is. This stunning road is located in the northern part of Siargao, near the town of Carmen, about 30 to 40 minutes drive from General Luna. It's definitely worth the trip. The road itself is incredibly scenic, winding through dense jungle, with small villages adding to the charm. For us visitors, it truly feels like a paradise. Along the way, we pass through many small villages, where locals live simple, modest lives. Tourism isn't as intense here as it is near the beaches, and the island itself is relatively small.
Bye guys.
Everywhere around us, we saw children playing in the streets. A few of them, we decided to surprise with some treats we had brought from home, some cookies. Seeing their faces light up was a moment we'll gladly remember. One of the things that really stands out here in the Philippines is the people themselves. Filipinos are very friendly. They greet you with a smile, offer help without hesitation, and genuinely enjoy connecting with visitors. English is one of the official languages here, so it's usually easy to communicate and feel understood almost anywhere you go, even in rural areas. Whether we were stopping by small villages or chatting with locals along the road, we noticed how welcoming and open they are, often ready to share a laugh, a friendly word, or just wave as you pass by.
You need to split, yeah? What's up? What are you doing?
Playing with my friends.
Yeah? What are you playing?
Huh?
What are you playing? Football.
Tumbang preso.
What is it? Filipino game.
Yeah.
Yeah? Good one?
As we head to our next, very popular spot, let me add a few interesting facts about Siargao. The island is home to around 200,000 people, and it boasts the highest palm tree density per square meter in the Philippines. Here we are at our next stop, Maasin River, a well-known spot that's perfect for exploring, having fun, and capturing some amazing photos. This river is flowing quietly through lush tropical scenery and framed by palm trees and jungle. Once famous for its leaning coconut tree and rope swing, the river still draws visitors for its calm, emerald green water and peaceful vibe. You can take a relaxing kayak ride, or simply enjoy the reflections of the jungle on the water's surface, a side of Siargao that feels far more serene than the busy beaches. It's also a popular stop on local land tours, often paired with other inland attractions along the scenic roads of the island we have seen earlier. From Coconut Road, it's only a short drive to Maasin River, roughly about 20 minutes by scooter or motorbike along the scenic inland roads, heading north toward Carmen. As the evening begins to set in, we head back to General Luna. Just at that moment, we arrive at the stunning Coconut Plantation Viewpoint. To the right from this viewpoint, you can see the stunning Mataob Maasin Mangrove Forest, one of the largest and most important mangrove ecosystems on Siargao. Right in the heart of the island, during the so-called golden hour, we park our scooters and soak in the breathtaking views, with the peaceful sunset painting the landscape. Truly unforgettable. We may have started the day a bit later than usual, but every moment of this inland adventure made it completely worth it. Siargao never ceases to amaze. An island of contrasts, bursting with lush greenery and warmed by the kindness of its people. It's hard to imagine leaving this place, with memories like these etched forever. And we'll see you next time, when we dive into why Siargao is famously called the surfing capital of the Philippines.